Hello and welcome back. In a previous video you asked me to install Windows 8.0 on a real modern PC. And in today's video I'll try to do it. Let's go. So Windows 8.0 is the first release of Windows 8. It was released on August 2012. It wasn't easy to find this image, but I did it. All the links for this image you can find on my Patreon page. All the links will be in the description. We have Intel i9 4900K ASUS Z790-H motherboard, NVIDIA RTX 4070, 32GB of DDR5 memory, and PCI Express 4.0 NVMe SSD with 2TB of capacity. Okay, here is the boot menu. Selecting our superfast USB thumb drive. Here is Windows 8.0 ISO. Selecting Windows 8.0 image. The setup menu appears, and we have a problem. My keyboard and my mouse are not working at all, and the reason is the image doesn't have USB 3.0 drivers for our motherboard. So what we are going to do now? My first thought was to use Gigabit Windows USB installation tool. As you can see, you can add NVMe and USB drivers to Windows 7 image. But there is a problem. First of all, it's not supported anymore, and I have used it several times, and it didn't solve the problem. I want to show you another trick. We can place install.vim file from Windows 8.0 image, which contains Windows 8.0 installation files. The Windows 8.1 image. But why we should do that? If you were watching one of my previous videos about Windows 8.1 installation on a real modern PC, you should remember that we didn't have any problems with USB 3.0 drivers during installation. It means we can use Windows 8.1 Bootloader to install Windows 8.0. By the way, this trick also works with Windows 10 and Windows 11 images. To do it, I will use Ultra ISO app. All we need is to extract install.vim file from Windows 8.0 image and replace it in the Windows 8.1 image. Then save changes and the image is ready. Okay, let's try to boot and see what will happen. And oh my god, it works! My mouse and my keyboard are working now. Okay, press next, install now, Windows 8 Pro. Next, accept the license, custom install. It detects all disks. Great. Even NVMe disks. Here's my test SSD. All we need is to press next, and the setup begins. The second stage of installation begins, and the error message appears. Windows setup could not configure Windows to run on this computer's hardware. Honestly, I've never seen this error in my life before. You can say, wait, you've just modified the image. Maybe this can cause the issue. But I can easily prove that the image is okay using WinNT setup software. This app can extract Windows installation files from install.vim file to any disk. And if you boot from this disk, the second stage of installation will begin. I did it, and you won't believe me, we have the same error. I also tried to install this image on my previous PC with Intel i9 9900K, and it was installed without errors. So it's not about the image. Looks like Windows 8.0 image just is not compatible with modern hardware. Since Windows 8.0 is working on i9 9900K, I decided to unplug SSD from this PC with Windows 8.0 installed and connect it to a modern PC. And you won't believe it, it's working. I don't know how, but it's possible. But unfortunately my keyboard and my mouse are not working at all again. It happens because Windows 8.1 Bootloader has USB 3.0 drivers, but Windows 8.0 doesn't. I have tried to install here modern drivers for Z790 motherboard, but it won't work. Then I've tried to use this USB to PS2 adapter, and it won't work either. The only thing that works here is this goddamn PCI Express to USB adapter, which never worked on old operating systems. It's very strange because in the previous videos, without chipset drivers, it was impossible to use any PCI Express device. But here somehow it's working well. Okay, finally we did it. Let's check system properties. And here we have i9 4900K, and it detects two processors. Looks like it happens because our CPU has performance cores and efficient cores. The same picture was in the previous video about installing Windows Vista on a modern PC. It detects all 32GB of DDR5 memory, that's great, but it can't detect any NVMe disks. It happens because Windows 8.0 doesn't have NVMe drivers. Funny, but Windows 8.1 has NVMe drivers. Also, I've tried to install drivers for a Z790 motherboard, and as you can see, some of them were installed successfully, some were not. Luckily I found drivers for Intel network adapter. On the official Intel page there are drivers only for Windows 10, so we can use the internet. Let's try to visit my channel, and as you can see it's working perfectly. By the way, look how fast it works. Google Chrome opens instantly. I wish Windows 11 works so fast. By the way, Windows 8 is one of the fastest Microsoft operating systems. It works fast, it loads fast, it has great performance. Unfortunately, we don't have any drivers on RTX 4070 for Windows 8, so we can't run any modern game on Windows 8. I know we can connect GTX 1080, for example, because as you can see it has Windows 8 drivers. But it's pointless, because as you can see, we can't even run Steam. And if I try to run Epic Games, there is a message: soon future versions of the launcher will require Windows 10 or newer. So it means soon we won't be able to run even Epic Games. But as usual, I will try to run Half-Life Uplink. This game works everywhere, and it's working well, but we have low FPS. Maybe it happens because of the drivers. I don't know. It's sad to hear Windows 8 became old. Anyway, this is one of my favorite operating systems, and I like it so much. Leave in the comment section what next operating system you want me to install. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. See you later, bye.